Hello my dear students, good morning and welcome back on our school YouTube platform. I Pavan Chaudhary, your maths teacher in front of you with the lecture for grade 5th. Here we are in chapter number 3rd, that is operation on large numbers. In this chapter now we are just going to discuss exercise, that is exercise number 3.6. In this exercise, question number up to 3, first to 3 we already discussed. Now for this lecture we are going to discuss question number 4th. See the question number 4th. A survey on the number of children going to a school in a city was conducted. 1,80,363 children were attending government school 3,49,520 children were attending public school, and 1,03,471 children were attending private schools and 52,879 children were not going to school. Find the total number of children going to school in the city. Now this is the question. The remaining part of this question we discuss after solving the given question. Now see here, a survey was conducted in a city in which this data of these number of children were attending government schools and these number of students attending public schools, and this is the data of their children who are attending private schools, and this number of children were not going to any kind of school. Find the total number of children going to school in the city. Total number of students going to the school in the city. So what you have to do? Total. That means you have to add. Number of children attending government school equals to this data: 1,80,363. Number of children attending which school? Public school. Three lakh 49,520. Now, number of children attending private school equals to this data: 1,03,471. Okay, so these are the students, and these number of these students, these children are not going to any school. So we have to find the total children that are going to school. Total number of children going to school. Now see what you have to do: add these three datas. 3 plus 1 4, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 6 15, 5 carry 1, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 4 13, 3 carry 1, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 3 13, 3 carry 1, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 4 13, 3 carry 1, 1 2 3, 3 plus 3 6. How many children that total number of students the children that are going to school are 6,33,354. See the remaining part of this question. A similar data was found for a nearby city also. Calculate the total number of children going to school in two cities. Two cities means just we have to double. Okay, same number of children going to school in another city also. So you have to find out total number of students in both the cities. Now see, six lakhs 33,354 multiplied by 2. Now see here, 4 2 ja 8, 5 2 ja 10, 0 carry 1, 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7, 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. So these number of students are going to school in two similar cities. So this is the question. Now see the last question. Question number 5th. See the question number 5. A family of 4 people consumes 308 liter of water every day. How many liters of water are required for 32 such households in the month of June. Okay. A family of 4 people. A family of 4 people consume 308 liters of water every day. How many liters of water are required for 32 such household? Okay. So now see. Water required for single family water required for single family per day every day, same thing, every day equals to 308 liter. Okay. Water consumed by single family every day, and water consumed by 32 families every day equals to 308 multiplied by 32. Here you have to multiply 308 by 32. 8 2 ja 16, 6 carry 1. When you multiply 2 with 0, you got 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 3 2 ja 6. Now 8 3 ja 24, 3 3 ja 9. Here you have to simply add 4 plus 1 5, 6 plus 2 8, 9. 9,856 liter water consumed by 32 families in every day. Okay. So in the month of June, number of days equals to 30. Okay. So water consumed by 32 families in the month of June equals to, means this quantity of water used by 32 families in a single day. So in 30 days, how much water used by 32 families? You have to multiply like this. Single zero is there, put the single zero. 6 3 ja 18, 8 carry 1, 5 3 ja 15, 15 plus 1 16, 6 carry 1, 8 3 ja 24, 24 plus 1 25, 5 carry 2, 9 3 ja 27, 27 plus 2 29 liter water. 2,95,680 liter water consumed by the family in the month of 32 families in the month of June. So your exercise is being completed. Exercise number 3.6 is completed. Okay, now see the next exercise on page number 50. Page number 50. This exercise you have to do by yourself. All the things that in this question we already discussed in our previous lectures. So this is the miscellaneous types of questions from the previous exercises. So try to solve this exercise, that is page number 50 and 51, by yourself. If you face any type of difficulty, then you can contact us, or you can send your doubt on school WhatsApp number. So in the next lecture we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 4, multiples and factors. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Take care, beta. Bye.